Calculating food cost in hotels is crucial for profitability and involves a few key methods and formulas. It's not just about the raw ingredients, but also managing inventory, waste, and even staff meals. Here are the main ways food cost is calculated in hotels. 1. Overall food cost percentage, for a period. This is the most common and provides a macro view of the hotel's food operations. It's usually calculated for a specific period, example, weekly, monthly. The formula is food cost percentage equals total cost of goods sold by total food sales into 100. To use this formula, you need to first calculate the cost of goods sold, COGS. COGS equals beginning inventory value plus inventory purchases value, ending inventory value. Let's break down the components. Beginning inventory value, the monetary value of all food inventory at the start of the calculation period. This requires a physical count of all items in storage. Inventory purchases value, the total cost of all food items purchased during the calculation period. This comes from invoices and purchase records. Ending inventory value, the monetary value of all food inventory remaining at the end of the calculation period. This also requires a physical count. Total food sales, revenue, the total revenue generated from selling food items during the same period. This comes from your point of sale, POS, system. Example. Let's say for a month. Beginning inventory, 100,000. Purchases, 300,000. Ending inventory, 95,000 Indian rupees. Total food sales, 900,000. Calculate COGS. COGS equals 100,000 plus 300,000, 95,000 Indian rupees equals 305,000. Calculate food cost percentage. Food cost percentage equals 305,000 by 900,000 into 100 equals 33.89%. 2. Food cost per serving or dish, recipe costing. This method focuses on the cost of individual menu items and is essential for setting profitable menu prices. The formula is food cost per serving equals sum of cost of each ingredient x quantity used in the dish. Once you have the food cost per serving, you can also calculate the food cost percentage per dish. Food cost percentage per dish equals food cost per serving by selling price of dish into 100. Key steps for recipe costing. List all ingredients, include every single ingredient, even small ones like salt, spices, and garnishes. Determine cost per unit, find the current cost of each ingredient, example, per kilogram, per liter, per piece. Calculate portion cost for each ingredient. Based on your standardized recipe, determine how much of each ingredient is used per serving and its cost. Sum up all ingredient costs, add up the portion costs of all ingredients to get the total food cost for one serving of the dish. Example, chicken biryani. 200 g basmati rice, 20 Indian rupees. 250 g chicken, 60 Indian rupees. Spices, 15 Indian rupees. Onions, tomatoes, vegetables, 10 Indian rupees. Ghee and oil, 12 Indian rupees. Garnish, 8 Indian rupees. Food cost per serving equals 20 Indian rupees plus 60 Indian rupees plus 15 Indian rupees plus 10 Indian rupees plus 12 Indian rupees plus 8 Indian rupees equals 125 Indian rupees. If the selling price of the chicken biryani is 400 Indian rupees, food cost percentage per dish equals 125 Indian rupees by 400 Indian rupees, and into 100 is equal to 31. 25%. 3. Theoretical versus actual food cost. Hotels often compare their actual food cost, calculated using the overall food cost percentage method above, with their theoretical or ideal food cost. Theoretical food cost: this is what your food cost should be if there were no waste, spoilage, overportioning, or theft, based on your standardized recipes and sales mix. It helps identify potential areas of loss. Actual food cost: what you actually spent, as calculated above. A significant difference between theoretical and actual food cost indicates inefficiencies that need to be addressed. Key components and factors affecting food cost. Inventory management: accurate beginning and ending inventory counts are critical. Implementing robust inventory systems, physical or perpetual, helps in tracking. Purchasing: negotiating prices with suppliers, buying in bulk when appropriate, and sourcing seasonal ingredients can impact costs. Standardized recipes and portion control: consistent recipes and portion sizes minimize waste and ensure uniform costs per dish. Menu engineering: analyzing the profitability and popularity of each menu item to adjust pricing or remove less profitable the dog items. Waste and spoilage: training staff on proper food handling, storage, and minimizing spoilage is crucial. Pilferage theft: measures to prevent internal theft are important. Staff meals: the cost of staff meals needs to be accounted for and sometimes deducted from the overall food cost, as it's not directly related to revenue-generating food sales. Market price fluctuations: the cost of ingredients can change due to seasonality, supply chain issues, and global events. Regular review of ingredient costs is necessary. By meticulously tracking these elements and utilizing the appropriate formulas, hotels can effectively calculate and control their food costs, leading to improved profitability. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights.